What is up, guys? Welcome to today's YouTube video. Today's gonna be a little bit different, so we're gonna do an install on my shifter. If you guys don't know what I'm gonna be installing, I'm gonna be installing a short shift kit from Dieselgeek. The thing with Volkswagen and you have a manual GTI, there is a lot of slop in the stock shifter. So I went ahead and purchased a short shift kit for my GTI. So I'm pretty psyched to install it. So yeah, let me show you guys the slop real quick on my stock shifter. So this is what the slop looks like. So here's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and there's in like every gear there's a little bit of slop. Like you have a little bit of wiggle room, and I don't like that. I mean, some people it doesn't matter, but I mean, if you really want to get into nitty gritty, it really helps. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install that. So yeah, it will. I also got the Dieselgeek super pin. That's also gonna go in between the shifter itself, basically in the plastic housing in the shifter, stock shifter. But yeah, there's a lot of slop in the stock shifter. Like, that's a lot of wiggle. Like, that's no bueno. Anyways, you guys are gonna probably ask, like, do I know how to install a short shift kit? I really don't. I'm gonna figure it out as I go. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this YouTube video today. Enjoy the ride. Let's go. Let's get into this install. Let's get it. So yeah, to get to the shifter, you guys gonna go on ahead. If you don't have an aftermarket intake like I do, or the stock intake, you want to go ahead and remove this. And the stock shifter is basically just right here. Actually, can't focus. It sits right underneath this battery tray bracket. So yeah, I'm not gonna like do a whole uninstall video on this intake because that's gonna take too much time on the YouTube video. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and uninstall this, and then after that I'll film me basically taking apart the whole stock shifter. Alright, let's get it. So I went ahead and already removed some of the stuff already. It's already got basically the intake piping out of the way, and then basically the thing that hooks up to this intake, the silicone coupler. So I went ahead and already removed the clip. Basically all you need is a pick to remove it, and there's also another clip down here I already removed as well, so you can slide this out. So it slides out pretty easy. Basically, I already pushed it out. But yeah, I already also went ahead and loosened this bolt, and I'll get you guys on the next update on what we're gonna do. I just gotta follow the instructions, see what we gotta do about this. So I went ahead and removed the shifter, the stock shifter. Yeah, so key tip I learned is that you need to rock this thing back and forth just to get it off these splines, because I noticed these have like little teeth, so they are pretty on there, pretty good. So yeah, next part to the next install. All right, let's get this figured out. All right, what's up, guys? I already mostly installed majority of the short shift kit. I know I didn't get a lot of the install, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Other than that, I'm basically right now I'm just aligning the shifter up. So all I had to do was basically remove this intake pipe from integrated engineering, and if we go in here, I already have and went ahead and did the alignment. Well, I'm in the middle of alignment. I used the Dieselgeek pin, and we're gonna do that as well. And we also have one more thing we gotta do. So we're not gonna put this exactly back together. I still have one more thing to take apart on this GTI, but I'm not sure if I'll do this today. I'll probably do it another day. It's just to help get rid of the slop in the stock shifter. But yeah, I have that install. I'll get back to you because this camera's about to die. Alright, what is up, guys? It's kind of laid out. I tried my best. Oh, it's kind of dark in here. Let's see if I can get more lights. There we go. That didn't do much justice, but anyways, I tried my best to get the let's see if I can get this going. Alright, it's a little better. But yeah, I tried my best to film as much a part of the install of the short shifter. I do apologize I didn't get all of the install, but yeah, it is now installed. So now we went ahead and basically I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. So this is what it looks like. for the short shifter. Pretty short. It's very notchy. I like it a lot. It feels like a true short shifter. It really changed it. It really changed the whole difference of the whole dynamic of my car. It really feels good. But yeah, we still haven't installed the super pin. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. For everyone who's watching my videos, thank you. Show some support if you guys want to. If you guys want to see me post more videos, see more installs, go ahead and drop that like button, comment, and subscribe. Alright, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. See you guys.